Hi everybody, it's time for another great business English phrase, so keep watching to learn and practice with me. Welcome back to English for Professionals. I'm Derek and I'm here with another short lesson for you busy people. Before we get started, just a quick reminder to subscribe to my channel, hit that red button and click on the little bell. Now, what does it mean if something goes through the roof? To go through the roof. Well, let's find out in a short dialogue. Peter and Lisa are business partners having an informal conversation. So, how's business? Great, things are going very well at the moment. Good to hear. What's new? Well, we launched a new product in September and soon after our sales went through the roof. Really? Yeah, we were pretty sure it would be successful, but didn't expect such high sales. Good for you. Congrats. Thanks. So, what do you think it means? Did you get an idea from the context? Well, Lisa said that her business is very good at the moment. They launched a new product in September and sales went through the roof. So for a business, if sales go through the roof, that's normally a good thing. If something goes through the roof, it means it increases very quickly to a high level. Okay? It increases very quickly to a high level. Let's have a look at some more example sentences. The price of oil has gone through the roof in the last couple of months. Say it with me. The price of oil has gone through the roof in the last couple of months. The company's share price went through the roof after their profits increased. Say it with me. The company's share price went through the roof after their profits increased. Great, now let's go back to the dialogue and read it together. I'll read Peter's part and you read Lisa's. Are you ready? Let's try it. So, how's business? Good to hear. What's new? Really? Good for you. Congrats. Excellent. Now let's read it one last time. This time I've taken the phrase out of the dialogue. Can you remember it? So, how's business? Good to hear. What's new? Really? Good for you. Congrats. So that brings us to the end of another short lesson. I hope you liked it and I hope you get the chance to use that phrase soon. If you did like it, hit the like button and share with your friends and colleagues. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to join my email list. Every 2 weeks I send out my free vocabulary email with additional business English, words from the news and everyday English for you to learn. Check it out, the link is in the description below. Thanks a lot for watching and see you soon.